Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Pretty explosive move today in Bitcoin, continuing higher as we speak, finally breaking up to the top of the range. So you see this 10,316 level we talked about, pausing there for quite a while, then blowing through it. Just means you have to go to a shorter term chart, or you go out to prior price action. So when we say shorter term chart, if you went to the 1 hour, this was the next pausing area, okay, which then gave you the target of 10,860, poking above there and coming back. But it gave you another pausing bar, so once you get that, then you can come up here again. And right now we're trading about 11,200. 11,237 is the next target, and then major area 11,506 to 11,540. I'll show you where I got that. Key support now coming in. Let's do the 4 hour. Actually, let me do the 1 hour, because right here, if we do pull back, this little resistance shelf right here with the rising 1 hour rotation zone, I'd be watching about 10,900. If we drop below that, I go into the 4 hour, and I'm going to then watch about this 10,500 level. So that's major support that I'll be watching off the 4 hour. Let's take a look at that daily. So you can see here's our big explosive move up. And where's that significant level line? That comes from all the way over here. I think it's easier to see on the weekly chart. Yeah. So you can see there's major selling above there all the way back from February of 18. There's a key close there actually back in January 15th of 18. Spike below there, then moving up, pausing there, rebounding right there. You see this one, which let me zoom in again. This is a doji closing right on that level. Fell away, then another key close and a runaway open. That's exactly what we like to see with a significant level, poking above that level multiple weeks, and then falling below it. So that's a very key level to watch for. That's the level you're going to be focused on, which is about around 11,540, 11,550. So major support now. We can just look at this, is coming back in. You see this little place around the 12.5% retracement. So major support is about 10,300 now. So let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum also running up. Oh, these levels look nice. So let's see here. Let me move this to the front. Bring it up here. Wow. All right. Oops. So what do we have? What do we have here? We had this 31986 or something, 320 level bouncing off there, drifting sideways on the 4 hour. Then we had this next key area. You see if I move this back out of the way, you can see we had 330.06, so 330 area running up to high 329.99. I'm going to call that close enough. Lets us move up these levels. So we've been pausing, and I'm going to move this up to the bigger corrective level right there at this point, and that's where the retracements are. So everything's geared off that key point. So 4 hour, we're trading right at first level support, 318.50. If we drop below that, I'm going to be watching about 305. Daily chart, major support is all the way back at about 290. But I focus first off on this 12.5% retracement at 300. So that's really the level I'd be focused on if we did have a slightly bigger pullback. To the upside, 342.52, major cluster area, 355 to 360. And then above that, 389.99. Very overbought on all these, but that doesn't mean they have to stop. They start running, and once they start running, they can keep going. Let's take a look at the bigger picture also. So you see here, now clearly above the swing high in February, testing the swing high area from last June. If we get above there, it's a pretty substantial breakout, and I'll start watching about 386 and then about 445. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.